Alright, so this should be a pretty simple video. I'm just going to replace the tank cap on my, or the cap on my fuel tank. I had a little problem where I lost the keys while I was riding, and so I had no keys to turn it off and on, no key for the fuel cap. As you can see, it's pretty jammed up. I tried removing it lots of different ways, and I had to wait for a dude with a screwdriver and a hammer to hand so that I could bosh it in it. Now you can tell that that's already jammed up there from where I've tried before. I can actually turn it like this already. But if your fuel cap's not jammed up already, it's pretty easy. You do the same thing, but you wham the screwdriver in first. And it pops open. So you can tell I've already removed the bolts here. That was just sort of, while I was trying to get in there, I thought maybe it would work, but it doesn't. There's an extra screw under the fuel cap that you can only get to once it's open, but I can get to that now. So, alright, take two. I almost dropped in a fuel tank there.
That would have been bad.
That's why I have my hand there. It's pretty common sense. If we're on YouTube, to get monetised properly, you can't swear.
Yeah,
Things
yeah.
like that. Take three. So that's it. This will pull out now. So I'm just going to show you what I'm going to put in there. Hopefully you can see that pretty well. That's the new fuel cap. It's a nice simple aluminium thing. This little thing just twists, and there's a little rider at the back of the spring. So all the bolts are out, we can just pull this. So I'm going to start yanking. Oh, that was quite easy. That was really easy. I was expecting it to be all stuck in there, but it wasn't. What I'm going to do now is get rid of that. Completely get rid of it. I'm going to go and grab some cleaner so I can wipe this out before I put the new one in. Okay, so I don't want to get anything in the tank obviously, so I'm not going to go mad with the spraying. I'm just going to use a little rag and a touch just to wipe it around. Of course, some of the point of this is not just to clean it, but to help the tissue pick up all the dust and stuff that's in there. Because that always goes much more smoothly when it's wet. Right, done with that. So now we just put this in, which should be really easy. Hopefully.
Yeah, really easy.
Yeah, plastic's the hardest bit, man.
I do love them type of packaging.
Right, 3 bolts and a tank cap. We're good to go. So we need to find the spaces that they're going to go in, hopefully. So I guess this needs to go, this end needs to go over the hole, so hopefully these will, that'll go there, that'll go there, this will go here I guess. I guess not. So it's more like this one, and this one by the looks of it. Yeah, cool. And it just sits in like that. That looks pretty decent, doesn't it?
Yeah, that actually looks nice.
Yeah, we'll get to doing the actual paint job on the bike at some point. What I'm just thinking at the moment is this sits pretty loose, and there is rubber in here to keep the fuel in. Well, I'm just wondering if there's a fuel bit on the other tank cap. I wonder if we can salvage this horrible rubber thing. Hey! No, it might not fit the new one, but we'll see. Give me the old spray. I'm not really interested in it being perfectly clean. I just want to get most of the old flaky bits off. Alright, I guess that'll do. Let's see. That did go in like that, didn't it? Just slot in there with all the holes around it. So this hopefully should slot right in there with no problem. So it mostly fits on that side, nice and easy. This side doesn't have a lip cut into it properly, so what I might do is try turning it around, and obviously the holes at the inside. Alright, so I need to put a cut into it, I guess. Let's see if my wonderful multi-tool has got a tool for this. You see here, this is where I tried using this tiny little Allen key to get into the fuel cap the first time, and I put a few others in there, but obviously this one took most of the force and it just completely snapped. So maybe it's sharp enough to cut rubber, who knows. No, it's not, I didn't know. Alright, anyway, so I've cut a little insert into it. It's probably a bit far, to be honest, it's a bit weak now, but never mind. Hopefully this works. Swung around. Right, that didn't work because the thing is deeper than I thought, and happens to be on the other side of the rubber to the side that I cut.
Only you.
So I think we'll just continue to split it and like wrap it around.
I haven't done the same, mate. Oh mate, that's funny.
The point of it anyway is just to be a fill around the edge, it doesn't have to be too perfect. I don't think it does too much work holding petrol in, but we'll see. Right, that fits pretty snugly now, so I can start putting these lovely bolts in. It should fit alright, hopefully. That's it locked. And then that's it fully turned. But it turns too much for the hull, you have to turn it back a bit and then it's there. A little bit annoying, but we can live with it. Right, there's my trusty multi-tool. These aren't actually for motorbikes. Alex just gave me this. It's his old bicycle one. But they've got a 4mm and a 6mm hex on them, and a little Phillips as well, so it looks like perfect. But for these we need even smaller. I think these must be like 2mm.
Fair.
But this has a 2mm as well. The only thing is I need a new one because all of this one's all rusted. It doesn't turn very well, so you spend like 10 minutes just trying to get the thing working. And if you just had a simple T-bar, boom, 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 done. That's still over a hole? No, it's not. Is that over a hole now? Yes. Great, so this is going to go in there properly. Right, that's in, that's in. Third one's lucky. Is that what they say? Something like
3
that.
times the charm.
Yeah, something, there we go. Number 3 is a magic number, that's
Yeah,
it.
3, yeah.
Although we're not doing magic, so. Alright. Ding!